Hawkins here, reporting live from a secluded island. I have been given the opportunity to interview legendary test pilot Thompson.
Is it on? Should I speak now?
Yes, Commander, we're live. Go ahead and tell us about your exciting new mission.
Well, you flatter me, sir. Yet, I'm a little nervous.
Oh, don't be nervous, sir. Just be yourself.
I'll try.
Yes, I see this machine that made history. Quite the vessel. Can you tell our viewers about this exciting, amazing spacecraft?
Yep. This is Aubrey. She's quite a little lifesaver. She saved my bacon on more than a few occasions, especially on the maiden voyage.
Oh, after a word from our sponsors, we will showcase L's next mission. The test. For those of you just joining us, we are here with the legendary Thompson, who tested the X-2300 and is currently testing exotic fuels.
This is rocket fuel, which I'll be testing in my spacecraft.
Whoa! Is that supposed to happen?
None of the other test fuels reacted this way.
Can you get a fire extinguisher? Hurry!
I can't! They're on the ship!
Can we leave? Cut? Can we? Do we have to stay here?
No, somebody, get some water, get some liquid, anything. Hold on, Aubrey!